Good evening, everyone, and welcome to this new program. Tonight, we are going to talk about the most relevant things that are happening on our university campus. Let's begin. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, there have been changes in our education system, and for this reason many of the students do not and on jumping the totally virtual system, creating a bit of confusion of vital importance that the university board of directors take new measures to monitor the situation, and many students do not have good connected and informant. Jainer Andre Jimenez. Good night.